Hi, welcome to Dux-Soup. The Dux-Soup Pro Revisit Data Tool lets you revisit profiles based on previously downloaded files or those you created for yourself. First, you'll need to be in Expert User Mode. To turn this on, open the Dux-Soup menu and click on Options at the top right. Under the User tab, select Expert User Type and click OK. You'll notice the Revisit Data button has appeared on the Dux-Soup menu. Click this button and the Dux-Soup Revisit tool will open. Drag and drop or select a previously saved Profiles file in the load box. For more info about Profiles files, check out our How to Download Data tutorial. Once the file is uploaded, the profiles in the selected file will appear on your screen. From the Dux-Soup menu, you can now choose to Visit Profiles or Visit and Connect using a personalized connection message. Click on Visit and click OK in the Starting Auto Visit pop-up. Dux-Soup will revisit all the profiles in your custom file. Happy Duxing!